Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair Sony SRS XE300 speaker. So we're gonna pair it with the iPhone. So first of all, you will need to power on your speaker by tapping on this power button. Just click on it once, and in the most cases this Bluetooth icon will start blinking automatically.
Bluetooth connected.
As you can see, in my case the speaker is already connected with second device, so I'm gonna simply forget.
Bluetooth
And right now
disconnected.
this icon will start blinking. It means that the pairing mode is enabled. So just simply go to the settings on your iPhone, then go to the Bluetooth, click on the switcher, and right now just wait until this speaker pop on the list. And as you can see right now it appears on the list, so just click on it once. If for some reason you still cannot find the speaker,
Bluetooth connected.
I will simply recommend you to click on this Bluetooth icon once, like on the power button. Next, to get more features of this speaker, I will recommend you to go for the App Store on your iPhone or iPad and download the Sony Music application. So type it in the search bar and try to get this Sony Music Center. Click install. Right now I have to input the password to my App Store, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, the password is correct, it's done. So right now we have to wait for the download. As you can see, it goes pretty fast. After a few seconds we'll be able to open the Sony application. So here we are, and we have to accept all of the permission that pops on the list. We have to also select our region. Click right here that we read all the stuff above. Then just simply scroll down for this privacy stuff. Click next in the right bottom corner. Click agree. We can allow for everything that pops on the screen. Yeah, just keep tapping. That's some kind of the information that we have to register our product to get, for example, the warranty and the extensive customer support. So click right here, and as you can see we can find our speaker, the SRS XE300. So right now when you open it, as you can see, we can play the Spotify, the Amazon Music, YouTube Music. We can also go to the settings where we can adjust some kind of the features. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.